Good morning student. Let's continue our topic of writing skill, the report writing. In previous video I have taught you what was the format of writing, format of the writing skill, that is the report writing, and I hope you have really practiced about it. And today I am taking one of the example for that, students. As you can see here that there is a question, you are Raman or Ritika, a responsible citizen. You organized a campaign on say no to illegal child labor. This is about the illegal child labor. In your area, write a report of same for a local daily. Student, we have discussed before that the use of report writing, many types of cases such as the events, the accidents, some kind of campaign. It's like an event for here. This is an event about the problem of child labor in our society that is rapidly spreading day by day, and here is a campaign you have to be start. So what will the format about it, student? First of all, you will give the title of your report writing. जैसे I have given this one, the residents launch campaign against child labor. The local residents launch campaign against child labor. Your report is about by Raman. As you can see, the name is already given in your test question. You are Raman or Ritika. If you are a boy, then you will choose the name Raman. If you are a female, then you will write down the name Ritika. Then you will have to mention the place and date. Same thing I have already taught you in my previous video. The place where the event is going to take place and the date. A campaign to raise awareness and enforce a ban on the heinous crime of illegal child labor was launched by. Students, I have already taught you that you have to write your report writing in passive voice. Was launched. Here was and the form of the verbs third, was launched by Angel Colony Resident Welfare Association. Who is organized it and where it have really occurred? Association in New Friends Colony area of New Delhi. That is the place where this event has been occurred, and by whom, that is about the child labor was launched by Angel Colony Residents Welfare. These are the organization and the name of the organization, and here the name of the place is the New Friends Colony of New Delhi. Student, and after this you have to mention that this event, whenever it has been taken place, what was the part of it? Such as Angel Colony has many slum clusters around it, and many slum dwellers force their children even below 14 years of age work in dhabas, in cycle repair shops, as well as in pavement stalls. The poor children remain illiterate just like their parents. The campaign saw the residents, businessmen and labor coming together and participating the wholeheartedly. It started with the veteran freedom fighter Shri R.K. Sahai addressing the gathered. Student, when you just start your report writing, first of all you have to mention the place and the organization, and after that in the second body of the report writing you must give a start to it, who was the chief guest, such as here Mr. Abhay Sharma, who is a famous doctor in the local area. He addressed the people presented there that what was the problem of child labor, and he has already given a speech about this, the problem of child labor. The problem of child labor. He addressed the people. He addressed the people or the guest, they were presented there at the place same time. For that event you have to be given the name of a particular person who just started the program or the event or the any kind of organization. And Mr. Abhay Sharma here, who is the famous doctor of the local area, that is why he addressed the people of there about the problem of child labor. And after giving the start, it started with and then crowd and highlighting the importance of education in the formative year of a child, because he is a well educated person. He knows very well what is the importance of education for everyone. He addressed the people and mentioned the importance of education for the children. This is a part of his speech and it is very important, student. Suppose here is any kind of sports event in your locality, your school, or any kind of institution. So you can give the name of any sports person, the famous sports person, as a chief guest who would address the people or the guests present there. So you just choose the name of the guest, name of the person who just address the people there. It is according to your subject of event. Either you are writing about any kind of educational event, you must give the name of any kind of leaders, MLAs, local MLAs, or maybe our chief minister also you can include there. And if you are writing about any kind of sports event, then you can give the name of any sports person. He remarked that working as labor hinders the all around growth of children. The crowd then held a peaceful march with posters and slogans in favor of banning child labor. The gathering then gave a signed petition to the labor commissioner to stop this illegal practice. The people presented at that place, they also gathered there and signed a petition that the local police and the commissioner must do something to stop the practice of child labor in their local area. So this is the concept of this writing skill, that is the topic of child labor, student. And you can write down so many of the practices. I have told you that first of all you have to mention the place and the reason of this organization, then how it was started, and after if it is a part of any cultural event, what kind of programs have been taken place there, if any kind of the singing programs, cultural activities, dance, etc. And after that the prize distribution or the reward ceremony, etc. So student, you can mold your writing skill, you can mold your report writing according to your subject. I hope you have understood very well. Tomorrow we will continue with some new examples. Goodbye. Thank you.